So, good day viewers and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to set up the installation wizard of the DSTV, of a new DSTV. So this video is going to teach you how to set up the installation wizard of a new DSTV. So first off, I'm in Nigeria, so the language English, you press OK. On the remote, you press OK. Then you come to quick setup. Okay, quick setup. Okay, everything is set. Okay, so now I want us to take note of the places labeled tuner 1, tuner 2 and tuner 3. On smaller DSTV decoders, Zapper, you're going to have just tuner 1 and tuner 2. Make sure that you have signal on all these tuners. But if in the case where you have signal on only tuner 1, make sure that you confirm the signal reception from the dish. Make sure that the signal is high enough before continuing. If the problem still persists, you can try changing the LNB. Make sure the LNB is a good or new one and confirm. You should have signals on all tuners before continuing. Next step, you press OK. Then you wait for everything to scan. These are also, for information, this is also the frequency, the TP, the frequency, the polarity and the symbol rate of DSTV in case you want to scan and you need the frequency that you're going to put on your meter. So we're ready. Oh, so thank you very much. Okay, so you see everything has come in place. Change channel. Okay, so everything is in play. So that's it. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.